You said that the supplemental affidavit was meant to clarify the first affidavit, but it doesn't seem, at least to me, sir, with all due respect, that that was a clarification because ang dami niya pong sinama doon sa kanyang supplemental affidavit. Ang haba po noon compared to his original affidavit. So, is that really a clarification or an addition?
May mga ano siya may mga in-establish siya doon yung relationship. So, insofar as yung mga, like for example, I will give you an example, no? Di ba meron siyang statement doon that the Vice President received contribution from certain people, from Parmali, from Michael Yang, and from Maestrado Lim. So, ang ini-establish na dyan, ito yung sa tingin ko doon, ang ini-establish na doon is yung lalim ng relationship niya sa tatay at saka sa Vice President to the point na pinagkakatiwalaan siya ng mga ganitong kalalaking amount. So, well, sabi ko nga, in my past interviews, there seems to be a violation because that is not allowed
What do you mean there's a violation?
There's a violation kasi yung mga foreign nationals are not allowed to contribute sa mga candidates. 'Di ba? So, assuming for the sake, kasi hindi ko rin naman alam kung etong sila what's the name? Lin Wei-xiong, Chinese national or foreign national. Si Maestrado Lim, si Michael Yang, kung mga foreign national. If assuming for the sake of argument, mga foreign national sila, well, another pwedeng i-check ng COMELEC yan.
And basically, you're saying that's going to be another violation.
Another violation. But since actually impeachable offense din yun, culpable violation of the Constitution, 'di ba? But since the allegation was not included in the complaint,
Hindi na siya pwedeng isama.
Hindi siya po pwede. Pero kaya nga ako tingin ko, the reason why it was included is para patunayan yung lalim ng relationship niya.